Struggling to get your Ford Ranger to start or having trouble with your four-wheel drive system? Let's troubleshoot this in 12 steps. Statistically, over 65% of these no-start conditions are caused by simple electrical connection failures. Before you call a mechanic, let's systematically narrow down the culprit. Always start with the basics. Check your voltage, scrub the terminals, and verify your ground straps are clean. If you hear a distinct clicking when you turn the key, your starter solenoid is likely struggling to engage. A flashing four-wheel drive light often points to a fault in the transfer case motor rather than the engine itself. Clean your terminals and check your relays at home, but leave internal transfer case repairs to the professionals. This chart shows that battery and starter issues account for the vast majority of your starting headaches. Use an OBD-I scanner to pull codes from the powertrain or generic electronic module to pinpoint elusive electrical gremlins. Keep a basic toolkit with a multimeter and scanner in your truck to handle most common electrical failures on the trail. Remember, never force a four-wheel drive shift if you hear grinding, as it can cause permanent damage to your transfer case. Thanks for watching. Keep your connections clean, and your Ranger will keep you moving through any terrain.